You are watching Discover Agriculture channel. Now we will show a video on vanilla farming and why it is so expensive. Vanilla prices have climbed so high it's worth more by weight than silver. This increase in price has to do with a number of factors, including vanilla bean theft, complex pollination, extreme weather, and the rise of the all-natural food movement. All of these variables combine to create the perfect recipe for a very expensive spice. One reason vanilla has gotten so expensive is, it is hard to grow. Vanilla vines take 2 to 4 years to fully mature, and their flowers only bloom for one day of the year. In order for the plants to produce beans, they have to be pollinated that day. In most places where vanilla is grown, it isn't a native plant and there aren't bugs or birds capable of pollinating the flowers. Labor-intensive farming. First of all, it's important to realize that vanilla does not grow naturally anywhere in the world except for Mexico. There's only one type of bee that can pollinate the vanilla bloom, the Malipona bee, and that type of bee only exists in Mexico. This means that 99% of the world's vanilla is pollinated by hand. It involves careful pollination with a sterilized toothpick or other sharp and small object. Vanilla blossoms must be pollinated within 24 hours of blooming or there will be no bean. After vanilla beans are pollinated, green beans will grow over the period of several months. After the green bean has reached its maximum size, farmers will pick the beans and begin a process of curing. Curing or post-processing is the process that farmers use to turn their hard green vanilla beans into the soft aromatic black vanilla beans that we all love. Which country produces more vanilla? Vanilla is native to Mexico. In Madagascar, where over 80% of vanilla is produced, the flowers have to be pollinated by hand. The pods need several months to cure after harvesting. The whole process is time-consuming and labor-intensive. But the record high price of vanilla also has to do with changes in the vanilla market. Fortunately, Origin Vanilla is working to develop vanilla farms in Malaysia and Indonesia, which we believe could be the next frontier of vanilla cultivation. Prices went from $30 per kilogram to $600 per kilogram in the course of 3 years. Thank you for watching. Like the video and share with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, subscribe Discover Agriculture.